What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, Snape, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, Harry 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 Dumbledore, Hermione, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, I'm Harry Potter, Severus Snape, singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
Never Longbottom.
Source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort.
Why did you sleep these kids?
Ginny and Luna.